Give off.
Just touch my body in future.
Wait, touch your what?
Me, I'm called the Bogari.
Hold on, wait. Give him a second. Give him a second.
Like
You said, hold on, wait. Give him a second.
Me, like in Rwanda, I'm called the Bogari. Igikoko. Igikoko means like.
Okay, you said touch your body and then do what?
Like you are going to touch me and you bless me in the future, I'll be like you.
No, that's God. I'm not God, brother. You just gotta put the work in. Are you working out?
Yeah, but in the future, I'll be like you, man. I will be Bogari.
Be better. What's your name?
I'm called the Bogari.
The Bogari?
Tell your people to love me, bro. Just
tell them to love you?
Yes, to love me.
What happens after that?
I will get many likes, man.
Hey, y'all love this fella, bro.
Yes.
Y'all love him.
Ashton, India. Yeah. Yes, I love you. All
right, brother. Hey, good to meet you, bro.
Danielle.
Danielle?
Yes.
That was hot. That's what's up, bro. Thanks for coming out, bro.
Welcome, brother.
Stay for 3 days. 3 days, we beg you.
Dante. Want to take the other side?
Yeah, let's do it. Chad, I'm already looking at the clip.
So basically, we have different events here. Concerts. This side.
Yeah, man. Ashton, how? We are on track already.
Come here. Come here. All right, what we doing? Y'all run it. Echo. Yeah, that's hard. You about to run? This man want to run so bad.
No run. We're not running in Tim's.
You want to beat me in everything. You already beat me in basketball. Good to meet you, bro. Keep going. Keep grinding, bro. Huh? Oh, you want to run? Ah. Please stay the whole week. All right, hey, where are we going right now? Zaria Court?
Yeah. That's where everyone is, right? Yeah. Hey, listen, we got it.
Here, I'm with the king.
Love, brother. Love, brother.
Tell your people to love me. I'm Black Chains. I'm Rwandan last born. All of them, they know me. Just tell them to love me.
Y'all love him.
I'm Black Chains. Just say Black Chains.
Love this man. He needs love.
Just say Black Chains. I'm Black Chains.
Black Kings.
Wow, God.
Love this man. Love you, bro.
Thank you,
hey, if
you,
they
bro.
won't love you, I love you.
Yo, thank you, bro. God bless you.
God bless you.
Oh, don't trust me. Let's go. Keep going. Hey, we're going that way. This way. No, this way.
Big fella. This way. Where are we going now?
Zaria Court for a second to see the fans waiting there.
Oh yeah, Zaria Court. How far of a walk is that?
It's just like 1 minute.
1
All
minute?
the stadiums in one concentrated area.
Yes.